At first, we'll talk about instances. What does instance mean and what does instantiation mean? So let's say you have a class and you have some attributes and you have a constructor and you have some methods. When you're creating an object of this player, what do you write? You say the class name, the variable name, the new keyword, and then the constructor, whichever constructor you've defined here, right? This constructor. Great. So what does this mean? It means you've instantiated a new object from the player class. What's the name of this instance? The name of this instance is X. So now let's say you want to create a new instance. This is what you type in, right? At first you specify the class name and then you specify the name of the variable. Then you type in the new keyword and then you type in the constructor. Now you have a new instance. What is the name of this instance? The name of the instance is Y. Let's say you have also another class named car. So you have a car class. And now if you want to instantiate a new object of the car class, what do? This is how you instantiate a new car class. Means that you're creating a new object from the car class and the name of the new object is A. Now let's say you want to create a second object from the car class. Now you have two instances of the car class. The first instance is A and the second instance is B. So how many objects have you created from the player class and the car class combined? You've created 4 different objects, right? This X is your first object, Y is your second object, A is your third object, B is your fourth object. However, X and Y are instances of the player class, and A and B are instances of the car class. So whichever class you create an object from, that object is basically the instance of that class. And when you create that object, we say that you have instantiated an object, which means X is an object, Y is also an object, A is an object, and B is also an object. However, X is an instance of the player class. Y is also an instance of the player class. A is an instance of the car class, and B is also an instance of the car class. So now I hope you understand what we mean when we say instance and instantiate.